Hi, grade fives. Today what you're going to do with this activity is you are going to sort these words in the middle into either chemical changes or physical changes. So I'm going to just read through each of these boxes, and then when you know, you'll click on it and you can drag it to where you think it should go. Okay? So the first one is mixing a solid, dissolving a solid into a liquid, freezing a liquid, creates a new smell, making a salad, boiling a liquid, creates sound, creates light, baking a cake, cutting a solid, melting a solid, and creates heat. So again, you're going to take each box and decide if it's either a chemical change or a physical change, and drag that box to whichever side it belongs. When you're done, you can turn the assignment in.